Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making air fryer barbecue chicken legs. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken legs, 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of honey, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In a small bowl, combine your barbecue sauce and honey, then mix until well combined. In another bowl, combine the onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Now add the salt and pepper, then whisk until well combined. Make sure your chicken legs have been cleaned and thoroughly dried. Now pour in your olive oil, then mix until each piece has been well coated. Now add your seasoning mixture to your chicken legs. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees. Now place your legs in the air fryer. Allow them to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, brush your legs with your barbecue sauce, then continue cooking for an additional 5 minutes or until your legs have an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
So